I am talking about lead-in.
So, what is your lead-in? Yeah.
Yeah, we have 3 ways of lead-in activities. Why 3? Because we don't know students. What is the level? What is the mood of students? Sometimes.
So you propose us to use one of this. Okay.
We have different pictures. Is that we we show our students and elicit the meaning of this.
What are the pictures?
About
the pictures of the vocabulary, the lessons vocabulary, with keywords.
Yes. So, and probably we will play a riddle or a guessing game. Like students, what of all your bags when you travel you take with you, and they say, oh, this is luggage, and we will understand what the words they already know.
But it looks just similar, like you have the definitions, right? Looks similar.
You choose which one you want.
But the easiest way is to demonstrate pictures and elicit if the students are familiar with this vocabulary or not.
Yeah.
So first of all, if they're familiar and they speak out, we can check their pronunciation and correct at the same time. So if not, so we just name this word and go further. We can actually show a video demonstrating the use of all this vocabulary, and then ask, so where is the man, or what is he taking, where is he going, and so on. So there are many ways.
Okay, so
We're full of ideas.
great. So that was lead-in. The next stage, we need to present this vocabulary given.
As a present, we took an exercise number 1 from a workbook. It's a word search.
To present?
No, it's not present, it's practice. So to present again, so this exercise 1 would be nice, because we see how this word is written and the definition at the same time.
So you would ask them to match.
Yes, to match.
The first exercise for
for
presenting is to match.
And give them a try to do it themselves. Just if they do well, it's nice. If they have some challenge, if they
Find it difficult?
Yes, find it difficult. So we work in details, discussing, checking, explaining, and so on. So an exercise 2 would be good too. Like say when we need passports, when we don't need passports. So. But
A
it
kind of
depends
discussion.
How well and how comfortable they feel with future tense, with future simple.
Okay. So to present, you use exercise 1 to teach them the words, to make them memorize the words. What will you do?
Exercise 2.
They won't study. I want them to know all these words. They usually find difficulties with guidebook, a journey, to go sightseeing, to pack. They usually find difficulties to remember these words. How I'm going to help them to know all 10 words.
Synonyms.
I want to have these 3 slices.
Mind map.
All right. So, move to practice. Okay.
So as a practice, yes.
Practice
This
crossword.
exercise.
Crossword.
Crossword
Yeah.
and what this is.
And this is for
Writing.
spelling. Okay. Produce. Or if you have anything else about practice.
For practice and just like switch time, we could play a mime game. So like crocodile. So children get caught with a word, and they stand in front of the class and they try to mime this word. Well, actually we discussed, is it going to be difficult for them to demonstrate passport, for example? How to mime passport, or how to mime a guidebook. But so my colleagues say that it should be fun. because children always find a way how to do
They
it.
created.
They're very creative. And for produce, we can actually again turn to our first video and
Ask them
ask
to
them
name
to
name what they
first
see
and then describe what the person is doing on this video. What is he?
and show them the differences. How they felt in the first exercise that were unfamiliar with most of the vocabulary, and now they're doing much better. They can name more things, something like this.
And if the students are strong enough, so I can ask them to write a short composition based on this video.
Okay, I see. Okay, thank you so much. So what's your idea about this lesson?
Let's start with the lead-in activity. It's brainstorming, simple, because they're elementary students. So on the board we are writing traveling, and they just come up with different simple words like passport. Maybe they know map, bags, some car, train, something like that.
You know, if as far as they are A2 students, you may make it a bit more challenging if you ask them in pairs to come up. Let's say traveling, 3 nouns, 3 adjectives, 3 verbs. That could be even more challenging, you know, for them.
Okay, then the presentation stage. So first we show them this exercise, these words, and ask them to compare this list and the list which we have.
Exactly. That's good idea. Yes, that's good idea. Also, always to have a link between lead in and that's right. Good.
Yeah, so that they
Because here, look, here you have already different parts of the speech. You have nouns, you have verbs.
yes, a phrase. Yeah,
Yes.
sightseeing. And later, as this course book doesn't provide us with any pictures, we prepare them ourselves, show the pictures, and ask the students to name first the words. Then we do the same procedure with phrases. And the third step, as you said, sentences. For example,
a hotel. You know, I would elicit from them like to book a hotel, to stay in a hotel, something like this. A guidebook, to look at the guidebook, to buy a guidebook, you know, something like this. That would be a good, good slices.
And then we start practicing. And first we suggest using this exercise from the workbook because it teaches them the correct form.
Written form, yeah.
Written form, yeah. And only after that we ask our students to do this exercise.
The definitions, because this is to set up the meaning, yeah.
Meaning, yeah.
Has
Formal
sense.
meaning. And we thought that it might be a good idea to make up one more exercise.
Exactly. This is not enough.
Yes.
Why I choose this? Because sometimes you feel that's not enough.
Yeah, so gut feeling will be good because it will allow our students to look at grammatical use. Some sentences like, I need to buy a, because I don't know Paris, a map, yeah? So.
Yeah, needs from you some preparation, right?
Yes.
Needs from you some preparation.
It will be useful.
What I would do, because I don't like to work hard, what I would do after the crossword and this, I will ask each pair to write a sentence using these words, using these 10 words. I will go fast and check it, right? So, for example, journey. As far as we had already collocations and sentences in our slices, right, they won't find it very difficult. For example, journey, I enjoy my journey, right? For example, they should not come up with difficult ideas. Then, after I've checked all of works, I will give them, how can I call this white thing? I forgot my words today. To corrector, maybe. This one, yes. Yeah, I will give them corrector and ask them to blank out these words. Then give it to another pair. So everybody will do the same. Give it to another pair, and another pair will have to complete the sentences with these words. Did they work? I didn't. But yeah, you should come up. So, but the students are involved, and I'm just checking. I'm just a guide. Yeah. But definitely, this topic needs more exercises, which we don't have. Okay. So it's similar to your idea, but students are involved. Yeah, involved more. That's right. Okay.
And the last one, ideas. So again, we show them the pictures which we used before, and they name all the words. And after this, they do exercise number 2.
Okay. You feel like they have to do it.
Yeah, because
Like the question.
You like the
For the
questions.
discussion, yes. What will holidays be like in the future? And explain why.
All right.
Justify your opinion. Yes, explain.
no, first,
Yeah.
Of course, students have a few minutes to think it over. Then they compare their ideas in pairs, and after that, we divide them into groups, and each group gives the sentence, and the other group can't repeat their ideas.
They have to produce something new. That's right. Okay, so thank you for your ideas. Thank you for your lesson plan. So now I want to show you